Welcome in my studio. My name is Linda Nieuwstad. I'm an artist. I make large-scale flowers, like you see over here, and I'd love to show you around in my studio. My studio is in the Netherlands, in the countryside, and the countryside with all its flowers and nature is a big inspiration for me. My studio has two parts. The first part is this sewing area, where we have my sewing machine, where we make all the leaves of the flowers. In the sewing room I have many materials like wool, leftover jeans, velvet, leather. This is the second part of my studio. It's the place where we do all the welding and we make the frames of the flowers. This is the place where we weld everything together. Here we have some vices where we do all the bending. And of course here also some storage of steel. All the flowers I make are made from straight bars. I love showing you my studio, and if you ever are in the Netherlands, my studio is in Woudenberg, which is in the middle of the Netherlands, and you can find all the contact details on the Homo Faber Guide website. Love to see you. Bye!